Welcome to London. Here, my team and I are revolutionizing nanotechnology for a greener, sustainable future.
Our goal is to harness the power of nanotechnology to help avert the impact of rapid climate change.
We will achieve this by developing products made with our green nanomaterials that we design and manufacture here in the UK.
Our first target market is the scourge of synthetic plastics in food packaging.
Synthetic plastics are often non-recyclable and stick around for thousands of years.
To solve this problem, Metalchemy has developed bioplastics that are completely biodegradable, biocompatible, and made from natural ingredients.
But as fantastic as that solution is, it wasn't good enough for us, so we took it one step further.
By embedding our silver nanotechnology in these bioplastics, we can confer them antimicrobial properties, killing off harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This protection increases shelf life and reduces food waste. This saves our customers money and cuts down their associated climate emissions.
Food waste is an issue that plagues every household, and food production is one of the largest contributors to carbon emissions. Using nanotechnology-enabled bioplastics to increase shelf life will inherently decrease greenhouse gas emissions, whilst also helping households save on food.
Currently, manufacturing nanomaterials requires toxic chemicals, which are harmful to both the user and to the environment. Moreover, their production is flawed, requiring vast amounts of energy. Thanks to our patent-pending technology, Metalchemy can produce green nanoparticles at a fraction of the cost.
Biodegradable food market is growing fast and is fragmented and is open for great business opportunity. Customers are looking for sustainable, non-toxic preservation of food, and this is great for Metalchemy business position.
I've been an investor at Metalchemy for several years, and the company has been consistently gaining more traction with industry and investors. But our key highlight to date is our patent-pending nanotechnology, for which we have further filed for international patent protection.
With your investment, we can optimize our bioplastic developments, scale up manufacturing, and go to market.
Future markets and applications for our nanotechnology includes water and air purification, tissue engineering, and conductive inks.
So we're using the bioplastic for various tissue engineering applications. I'm interested in it for hernia repair. The tissue scaffolds need to have the right adequate strength, biocompatibility, and the nanoparticles in their bioplastic provides antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which is really important for wound healing.
Thanks for watching. We hope you'll join us to harness the power of nanotechnology to reduce waste, save money, and fight climate change.